So today we're going to be doing some cute, affordable nails using the new Kiss Salon Dip color system. This one is the updated version with a white powder. I can't wait to try that out. And I'm going to be trying their new Salon Dip color palette. This one is in Rose Garden. The colors look really pretty. So let's go ahead and get this open. Oh, almost lost the sponge. So this is everything you get in the kit. You got your brush softener. We got the activator, dipping tray, the buffer / nail file, base and top gel. You get a little sponge for cleaning off the excess powder. Let's see, we got some extra brushes, a manicure stick, of course, the dip powder, and instructions. So first I'm going to take my acetone and we're going to wipe all the nails. So yeah, we just want to get all of the residue, oils, or whatever we have on our nails off. So next I'm going to take the manicure stick and I'm going to lightly push back my cuticles. You know, we just don't want any dead skin or anything on our nails because the dip powder is not going to stick to that. So now I'm going to take the file side of this and we're just going to lightly file the surface of our nails. We want to just take all the shine off and also file around the cuticle area to further get up all of that dead skin. Like I said, we don't want that on our nails. And typically with dip nails, I need a little help. So I'm going to be putting on some nail tips. All right, so we got the tips all shaped, prepped, filed, all that good stuff. So now we can go into dipping. So as y'all saw, I already opened this up. This one is the white powder. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this into the dip tray. Taking the base gel. So we're just going to apply this over the entire nail. Like so. You want to make sure to not get any on your skin. If you do, you can use the manicure stick to get it off. So now we're gonna dip right into and take it out. I like to just tap off the excess powder and we're gonna let that sit. It doesn't specify a time, but I like to let it sit for about 5 seconds just to make sure that the base gel dries down. Okay, and then taking the sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off the powder. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with my second coat of base gel and we're just gonna apply that like we did before, just making sure we are covering the entire nail. Before you put this back in the bottle, make sure you wipe it off. Wipe it on some paper towel because if you get powder inside, it's gonna harden your brush. And we're gonna go ahead and dip this in here. The tray makes it really easy. Dab that off. Wait about 5 seconds. Okay, starting to look good. I am a fan of dip powder nails because it is really easy. Like if you're just so new into nails and you have no clue on how to do all the other methods, starting off with dip is pretty easy. Wiped out the tray and now we're gonna go in with that beautiful glitter. All right, so now we're just gonna do the same dip process, but on my accent finger. And like before, I'm just gonna apply this over the entire nail, making sure everything is nice and even. All right, and then we're just gonna dip inside the tray. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. So yeah, we're gonna go in with our second coat. So next we want to apply the activator. This is going to ensure that the nails harden fully and that we're able to file and shape. But yeah, I just make sure to really get around the cuticle area. We want this to penetrate all layers of the dip powder. Don't forget about the tip. So once all the activator is applied, I usually give it probably about a minute or two to fully dry and absorb. So I'm going to go in with my shaping and filing because it needs it. Now the beauty with dip powder nails is that you don't have to do a lot of filing because it's just powder. So, you know, don't go overboard with your filing. And one of my tips is just to make sure you file around the cuticle area very well. Like that is the separation between your nails looking really pretty and professional and not looking professional. So we're just gonna apply more activator, even the tip. All right, so we applied the activator and after it's all dry, you wanna make sure to wipe the surface with a dry paper towel, lint-free preferably. Because if there's any activator on your nails, then the brush of the top gel is gonna harden up. And then we're gonna go in with the top gel. Apply 2 coats of this to give us our shiny finish. And we're just gonna apply it as you normally would any top coat. Just repeat this for all of the nails. And we're just gonna let this dry before I put on the second coat. Ooh, but that is so cute already. So I'm going in with my second coat. And I just love simplicity of this set. It is really cute. And here is the finished look. I'm just loving this short, simple set with a little bit of glitter. Really, really cute. And I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.